ये समझ मिलने के बाद अभी आप क्या करो, सुख की दुकान खोलो, सबको सुख दो। आपके घर में कितने जने, 5 जने हैं, तो उनके साथ आप ऐसा बिहेव करो कि मुझे उनको सबको सुख देने का है। तो आप उनको सुख दोगे तो वो आपको रिटर्न में क्या देंगे? सुख देंगे। इसलिए दादा ने बोला कि ये मैं आपको छोटी सी बात समझाता हूँ, पर ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। सुख की दुकान खोलो, सबको सुख दो, तो आपके घर में इतना सुख आएगा कि आप कल्पना नहीं कर सकते। तो सुख की दुकान खोलोगे? चलो, प्रॉमिस। चलो, एक बहुत बड़ा काम हो गया कि आज से सुख की दुकान। अभी जब सुख की दुकान खोलते हैं ना तो मुहूर्त करवाना पड़ता है। मुहूर्त में क्या दोगे सबको? सुख। चलो, आपको अभी आज से दुकान शुरू हो गई सुख। ऐसे करते करते रोज कुछ ना कुछ आपको दादा की साइंस का खुद अंदर डेवलपमेंट होता जाएगा। खुद भी अंदर। आप जब आपसे बात करना शुरू करोगे ना, तो वो बात करने से आप जितना अलग होते जाओगे ना, तो आपको अपने आप से व्यवहार करने का भी मजा आएगा। घर में सबके साथ व्यवहार करने का मजा आएगा, मम्मी पापा के साथ रहने का मजा आएगा। ये ऐसी साइंस है। और क्या लगा, और क्या लगा ज्ञान की बात?
वही सुख की दुकान, फिर सारे शुद्ध शक्ति, लाइक शक्ति वो सब बैलेंस करती है। फिर सबके अंदर शुद्ध आत्मा है, ये है कि शुद्ध।
पर आज सुबह को ऐसा ख्याल आया कि भाई ये मम्मी मेरी फाइल है?
नहीं, वो एग्जाम वो क्या,
अभी वो फाइल है ना, उसका संभाव से जब तक वो फाइल नहीं समझ में आती है तब तक ऐसा समझने का, भले मम्मी है, मेरे पापा है, पर उनके साथ मुझे संभाव से निकाल करने का। उनको कोई तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए। वो बोले कि अभी पढ़ने का टाइम है, तो वो तुमको अंदर होगा, नहीं मुझे अभी नींद आती है। मम्मी फिर एक बार फिर से बोलेगी, मैं बोलती हूँ थोड़ी देर पढ़ लो, आपकी एग्जाम है। तो अच्छा, मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ थोड़ा।
एक क्वेश्चन है, एक आप बोलते हैं लाइक मतलब जब भी कोई अगर हमारे को चाहे तो ये समझना कि वो हमारी फाइल है, मतलब फाइल आपने बोला, मतलब अच्छा ही सोचना है। वैसे एक क्वेश्चन है, अगर लाइक हम किसी के साथ लाइक बुरा करने जाए तो मतलब हम उनकी फाइल नहीं, मतलब
आप बुरा कर जाओ तो वो तुम्हारे साथ बुरा, वो भी तुम्हारी फाइल है।
अच्छा, नहीं या बोला तो मतलब जो भी हम लोग करते हैं वो नहीं फाइल होती उनकी, या होती है फाइल?
आप जो भी करते हैं उनके लिए भी फाइल है।
हाँ।
और उनके लिए आप फाइल हो। इसलिए दादा ने क्या नंबर दिया है कि सबसे पहला फाइल तुम अभिराज, ये फर्स्ट फाइल नंबर।
अच्छा।
फिर उसके बाद फाइल नंबर 2 भाई मम्मी, फिर उसके बाद तुम्हारे पापा फाइल नंबर 3, फिर उसके बाद अगर आपका भाई है, उसकी अपनी बहन है, 4, 5, 6, आपके घर में इतने, सबसे पहले वो उनको नंबर दिया जाता है। क्योंकि जिनके साथ आप रहते हैं उनके साथ आपका लास्ट बर्थ का बहुत बड़ा हिसाब है। वो तुम्हारी सबसे पहले चिकनी फाइल है। चिकनी मतलब उनके साथ तुम्हारा बहुत बुरी उसका संबंध है। हाँ, इसके लिए आपकी वो नजदीक की फाइल है। वो इसके लिए दादा ने क्या बोला, सबसे पहले ये नजदीक की फाइल का संभाव है निकाल करने का। फिर आप जैसे स्कूल जाते हो, कॉलेज जाते हो, फिर आपके फ्रेंड्स है, जैसे फाइल नंबर 8, 9, 10, फिर आपके रिश्तेदार है, ये सब लोग आपके फाइल है। पहले तो आप उनको सबको रिश्ते से देखते थे, पर अभी क्या हो गया, वो आपकी फाइल हो गई। क्योंकि अभी फाइल का क्या करने का है, संभाव से निकाल करने का। हर फाइल के साथ
वो भी खुश रहे, हम भी।
हाँ, वो भी खुश रहे, हम भी खुश रहे, किसी को दुख ना हो, ना आप किसी को दुख दे, ना वो आपको दुख दे। ऐसा आपका जीवन सुखमय हो जाएगा। क्या लाया? आपको कुछ पूछने का है ज्ञान के बारे में? कुछ कल जो ज्ञान दिया, कहीं भी आपको दिक्कत हो रही है ये ज्ञान समझने?
He once inspired you guys to become an Aptaputra. Once inspired you guys to become an Aptaputra.
Who inspired us?
Yeah, what inspired you?
See, normally Aptaputra is not made itself. I have not become an Aptaputra myself. So there are so many scientific circumstantial evidence. In last birth, I must have decided something. See, every birth is the repercussion of last birth. So in Hindu Shastra, Hindu science, we normally believe in the rebirth, correct?
Yeah.
So normally we always say in last birth what I have done, whatever I am getting the result today, it is the result of my development of my hard work of last birth. So in last birth, somewhere, someplace, when I used to get unhappiness from others, when I was not satisfied for any work I am doing myself, whatever I am studying, I am forgetting. If I want to become a doctor, I am not becoming a doctor. I become a businessman. So every moment, everywhere, it was not happening as per my wish. So what happened? I must have prayed to God. What is this? Whatever I am demanding, I am not getting. Whatever I want to do, it is not happening. And if anybody tells me something, I get annoyed. I get unhappiness. So when I get unhappiness, I don't like anything. Many a times, so many cases happens when he doesn't get happiness, he goes away, he does suicide. Why? Because he's not happy with his life. So many causes are there because of unhappiness. So at that time, I must have thought something, not myself, whatever, but all of the Putra. Everybody is independent. He must have seen something new. I must have seen something new. So due to so many reasons, so many causes, I must have decided that I must get some person who should make me happy. I should be away from all these unhappiness. I should get happiness. Which type of happiness? Once I get that happiness, it should not go away. It should remain permanent within me. So who can give this happiness? Somebody, some person, some nature. So I don't know. So many people have decided that I want something permanent happiness. So that's why who had a determination in last birth, in previous so many births. So in this birth, Dada Bhagwan came in front of us and he gave us the happiness permanent. And once I got a happiness within myself, then we decided I don't need anything in this world. Anything in this world. And finally, Dada showed us the path. Okay, this is the way you can get a permanent happiness. That's how we were ready and Dada Bhagwan was ready to give everything in our hand. And we all became Aptaputras. And what is the duty of Aptaputra? The same duty Dada Bhagwan. His duty was how to give happiness to everybody. So the same thing Dada taught us. If you are full of happiness, now spread the happiness in the whole world. So we thought, if I want to go in the whole world and I have to go each and every house, and if I get married, so I will have children. So I have to do something to feed them. I have to work hard. I have to go in my duties. And if I go there, so I will not have any time for this world. So we decided, I don't need any unhappiness or happiness in this world. I want this way only, so that my every moment, my everything is for others. So that's why we decided we want to give happiness to others. So we become Aptaputras. Correct?
Yeah.
So it's good we became Aptaputra.
Yeah.
That's why we are sitting in front of you.
Do you even struggle with emotions too? How do you handle them?
When?
Emotional.
Like, do you struggle with emotions?
Struggle with emotions.
Yeah. How do you handle them?
So whenever the struggle comes,
Good question.
or emotions,
Oh, how do you handle your emotions?
my emotions.
Yeah.
Okay. Emotions. See, now I have not to handle. It becomes easy and by itself it happens. So when I use 5 Agnyas, so whatever things comes, emotions comes. So these emotions of Keshav, Atma has no emotions. So if I remain all the time in my Swaswarup, Swaswarup yani in my Atma, so whatever emotions comes, Keshav, so I see something comes emotionally, I become very emotional and get angry with my brother. So on the spot, what happens? I talk with Keshav. Why you are getting so annoyed? Why you are becoming emotional? Why don't you see Shuddhatma within him? And the same Shuddhatma is within you. So after getting this vision, all the emotions are this Keshav, file number 1. And I am Shuddhatma. I don't have any emotion. So it doesn't touch me. If you abuse me, so on the spot I get the Jnana. But he is abusing Keshav. He doesn't know who I am. I am Shuddhatma. Shuddhatma doesn't get affected. Shuddhatma is never emotional. So we become separate all the time. So no emotion of this earth is touching me. If you welcome me, how, Keshav bhai, welcome. I on the spot understand he is welcoming Keshav, not to me. Because Atma, Shuddhatma within me, he doesn't require anything. If you abuse him, if you welcome him, it is not affected to him. So when you become two separate persons, if nearby you somebody is staying and they are fighting amongst them, so is it going to affect you? By your neighbor, somebody is fighting with
No.
each other.
No.
You will say, he's my neighbor, he doesn't affect me. Because why is not affecting you? Because they are
Siddhartha.
no, they are separate from
Yeah,
you.
they're separate.
But if your brother tells you something, it is going to affect you.
No.
Not
Maybe.
little bit.
Depends what he says.
What he says, what he argues with you, or he is in a good mood, or he is in a bad mood. So you two becomes a separate person.
Yeah.
So when you are two separate person, if somebody tells to separate person, it doesn't affect you. Like that, you and your Atma both are separate. Yeah, Didis?
Now is a bone.
But you are asking such question as if if the person who is 70 years, he cannot ask such type of questions.
What's your favorite quote or lesson from Dada Bhagwan?
Lesson from Dada Baba.
What's your favorite quote or lesson from Dada Bhagwan?
Favorite
What?
Yeah.
Favorite quote.
Favorite quote. See, Dada Bhagwan's quotes are tremendous. Every day, whatever Dada used to say, they used to become a quote for us. Every day. Dada said that see this whole world innocent. So this is a favorite quote. You normally, when you sit with your brother, do you find out some faults within him?
Yeah.
You can see faults some within him. Do you find some faults of your mama or papa?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you find some faults in your school when you are dealing with your friends or your classmates?
Yeah. Recap.
So you are very truthful. I've never seen such person that who said everything truthfully. So when you find faults from so many people, but Dada Bhagwan said, in this whole world, all are innocent. I cannot see a single fault amongst anybody on this earth. This was a favorite quote for me. To see this whole world, right from your brother, sister, mother, father, you deal with anybody, you can see he's innocent. He has no fault. So that vision, it was great for me. Because normally in my house, there are 32 members. Can you imagine 32 members?
No.
Staying, like so many people staying in one house. So when 32 members are staying in a house, how many faults I can see amongst all the people?
God.
A lot. So we did not have any jnana or understanding like we are getting today. I did not have understanding. So all the time, 32 members were fighting with each other. Somebody loving, somebody not loving to each other. For small things fighting. I have to go to school. Why you go in the bathroom before me? Your school is 9 o'clock and my school is 7 o'clock. But I have to study. I have to do that for small thing. This is a small thing. If I want to go to school, in our house, there are only few bathrooms and we are so many people. How we can adjust? So how many faults we can see amongst each other? Beyond imagination. Every day fight, every day something or the other thing we are fighting. It was when we explained to Dada Bhagwan, we said, in our house, Dada, Mahabharata is going on.
What's Mahabharata?
Ask to your dad.
It was a big fight amongst brothers. So you will ask Mama, Papa, they will tell you. But in one sentence, Dada used to, or we used to say one sentence, Dada, when you fight so many people amongst each other, so we used to say, Dada, in our house, Mahabharata is going on. So Dada used to laugh. Because once you understand what is Mahabharata, you will understand everything. So while going through such a huge process of Mahabharata, and you cannot see anybody's fault, that was a beyond imagination quote. So, कि हम सबको सॉरी हूँ गुजराती थोड़ी आवड़े છે
આવડે છે
તો
મને explain કરતા નહીં આવડતું.
ઓકે તો એ દાદાએ જે દ્રષ્ટિ આપીને આખું જગત નિર્દોષ છે નિર્દોષ એની કિસી भी કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિનો ફોલ્ટ નથી આ જગત
ને હિન્દી ને ગુજરાતી ને ઇંગ્લિશ આવડે છે.
અચ્છા
ગુજરાતી
એ આખું જગત નિર્દોષ છે એવા દાદાએ કેટલા બધા કોટ આપેલા so many quotes. How to live in the house, not to give unhappiness to anybody, give happiness to everybody. Adjust everywhere. Adjust everywhere means what? He's telling you that, Didi, I want to go to school and you please leave me at the bus stand and or drop me somewhere. So you will say, no, I will not drop you because I have to study. You will point blank refuse it. But he again requests you to please help him because Mama is not here, Papa is gone on the job, and you are only here in the house. I need your help. Please help me. Then you say, no, I don't want to help you because I have got my work to be done. So what did you do this? You did not adjust with your brother. So he will get a happiness.
No,
He will be unhappy.
not be happy.
So Dada says, do such type of, what he said?
I will be happy.
Acha. That's great.
Then you will always never happy, no problem. For you, no need of satsang now.
You have crossed all level of unhappiness.
એની વસ્તુ ખોવાઈ જાય ને પછી આની લે એટલે કાલે એ બધે ફરી વળે તોય મળે નહીં એટલે બેઉ ઝઘડો થાય
Acha.
અને પેલાને કઈ વાંધો જ નથી આવતો એની વસ્તુ ખોવાઈ જાય તો આની લઈ લેવાની પછી જ્યાં મૂકવી ત્યાં મૂકી દેવાની.
એટલે આ adjust કરી લે છે. So likewise, you will get many quotes of Dada Bhagwan. But whatever weakness we used to have it, so like that we used to find out that yes, this is a great thing for me. This is the great thing. That's ultimately Dada said, okay, if you understand one of my sentence, you got whole science of Dada Bhagwan. Only one sentence and you follow it sincerely. If you follow it sincerely, that sentence of Dada Bhagwan, that adjust everywhere. In all the circumstances, I want to adjust with my brother. In all circumstances, I want to adjust with my mother, father, with my friends, in the school. So you got this sentence. So Dada says, this is the sentence of Dada Bhagwan. So it has got Vachanbad. It has got tremendous Vachanbad.
વચન પર શું છે?
Vachanbad. English માં.
Question ની અંદર
હવે
question.
કોઈ explain કરો English માં Vachanbad શું કહેવાનું?
ના ના ગુજરાતીમાં કોઈને વાંધો નહીં તેમાં.
Vachanbad means if you tell something, you do this work immediately, you will say, yes, I will do it. If you say, Mama, I want to go for a picnic. So if he doesn't ask you why, when, how much expense, and she will understand, she will go out, it is her requirement, and in whole year she has not gone. So she will say, okay, you go. So vachan means what? Whatever you say something and opposite person accept on the spot,
Kasam?
accept it.
કસમ લો.
One type of kasam.
Commitment.
Commitment. Yeah. So whatever you say on the spot, it is happening. That is called a vachan. Like Dada used to say, કે તમે બધાની અંદર શુદ્ધાત્મા જોજો. So on the spot say, yes, Dada. Now we have got the vision. Now with this vision, I can see Shuddhatma to everybody. So Dada's one sentence came out from his mouth and we obeyed on the spot. That is called vachan. Like once Dada said, he took an examination from me. That Keshav, I tell you, if you jump from 10th floor, what you will do? I said, yes, Dada. You tell me just now, immediately I will jump. Can you imagine? What must be the vachan? I said, if Dada tells me to do this, there must be something in his mind why he is telling me to do this. He did not tell me to jump, but he was taking the examination. Okay, how much you have got faith in Dada Bhagwan? I said, Dada, if you tell me to jump, I will go straight to moksha because it is a Jnani Purush vachan. Correct?
Yeah.
So do you like the quotes of Dada Bhagwan?
No.
I just everywhere. Whatever is happening, it is decided.
સાહેબ એડજસ્ટ એવરીવેરનું થોડુંક એક્ઝામ્પલ એક બે હજુ આપો ને.
હા. હવે એડજસ્ટ શું છે કે હમણાં કઈ બી વસ્તુ એવી બની હોય.
સોરી કન્ટિન્યુ બોલે ને
હા,
ઇંગ્લિશ ઓર
sorry.
હિન્દી.
गुजराती में चलेगा।
चलेगा? तो एक ही दिन में क्या विजन क्लियर हो गया? Fantastic.
જ્ઞાન ખુલ્લું થઈ ગયું.
Khullu
ગુજરાતી
thank you.
કરાવી.
And it used to happen, really I'm telling you, many a time. Those people who never used to speak Gujarati and they made Dada Bhagwan, it used to become miracles within few days. But he had a tremendous requirement, tremendous feeling, okay, why I'm not understanding Gujarati, whatever Dada says. So if he got a determination within himself, so slowly Dada Bhagwan did a kripa and ashirwad, and he kept a hand on his head and he started speaking Gujarati. So now very soon you will speak Gujarati.
Hindi hai. If you make it 6, then 50% Gujarati is there. 50% Gujarati you already know.
वो 5 साल गुजरात में रह के आए अहमदाबाद में।
हाँ।
नहीं, अभी तो कनाडा रहूंगा ना तो शायद इंग्लिश ही आती है।
तो ये ग्रुप में रहेगा ना तो you will
आ जाएगा।
understand Gujarati very well. At least you will understand. For understanding it will not take more time. For speaking it will take some time.
આ લોકો ગુજરાતી વિધિ ચાલે ને જે કોવિડ માં વિધિ ચાલુ કરી ને તો બેસે એટલે પેલું સામે સ્ક્રીન મૂકે ને વિધિની તો હું આંગળી ફેરવતી જાઉં અને એ લોકો જોતા જાય ને બોલતા જાય એના પરથી થોડું થોડું આવડી ગયું પછી બારાખડી શીખવાડી દીધી સો દે નો નાઉ ગુજરાતી
હિન્દી
સરસ
આતા હે ક્રિસ્તા.
हिंदी आवड़ता है
હા, થોડા મિક્સ કરકે
छे का है का तो हिंदी आवड़ता है हिंदी हो गया.
અને લખતા વાંચતા બધું આવડી ગયું અને
હા,
कोशिश करूंगी।
Just everywhere I'm not person.
How do you stay happy all the time? You look so peaceful.
Once again,
How do you stay happy all the time? You look so peaceful.
yeah,
What are happiness of it?
very tremendous, high question.
સુકે છુપા.
बात है आंसर आप मेरी बस.
So,
તમે happy છો, happy બધાને સ્પ્રેડ કરજો તો happy જ છો ને.
he gave the proper answer. He was a better than happiness Very proper answer. Very proper answer. See, if I'm giving you the answer and I'm seeing smiling on your face and you are accepting and understanding, I feel tremendous happiness. Because you become happy.
આવા જ કરવાનું હોય.
I must give you the award. What award you wanted?
Chocolate.
શું વાત છે?
So this is okay.
Yeah, this is so good.
Satisfied, no?
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
લાઈનમાં જ પૂછો મને.
If the soul is already pure, why do you need to do anything in this world? Like, if the soul,
Soul
is
is
already
pure.
pure,
हाँ.
why
So
do you
you
need
can-
to do anything in this world?
But who is doing in this world? Soul is pure,
Mhm.
but I am not doing anything. Soul is not doing anything.
So why
Everything
do you need to do?
you,
something?
I need to do. Whatever nature has given me the duty that I am doing it because I am separate from the soul. Soul has not to do anything. Soul is pure, transparent. He is only adjacent to me, within me, sitting with me. And we both have become separate. Soul is separate, Keshav is separate. Keshav has to do his duty. If Keshav is not there, then soul will be not there. So Keshav has got the duty to sit in front of you, to give Dada's signs, giving understanding. So Keshav is doing his duty, soul is doing his duty. He's all the time observing Keshav what he is doing. Because we both have become separate with Dada's blessing. When you will become 18, you will get the same signs and the whatever feelings which I am experiencing, you will experience. Complete separation. And whole world will be thinking that you are doing everything. But by relative viewpoint, you are doing everything. But by real viewpoint, Shuddhatma, he is not doing anything. We both are separate, complete separate, independent. Correct? But that you have to experience. But we both are separate. This you have to understand because within you there is a Atma and you both are separate. You both are not same. But that you have to realize, that you have to experience. If I tell you in the words, you will not understand. But when you experience how you are separate, then you will experience everything. Till then, you have to keep in your mind that you, what's your name?
Pratiti.
Pratiti. Pratiti and Shuddhatma, they both are separate. This you have to keep in the mind. But how they are separate, that one day you will realize when you will get this jnana. And then you will experience. That will be not in words, that will be in the experience itself. At that time, I have not to explain you and you will not ask me a question how I am separate. But you will experience yourself that you are completely separate. And when two people are separate, so both have got different duties, correct? Like you, brother and sister, you both are separate. So you both are doing separate things, correct?
Yeah.
He is studying himself, you are studying yourself. So you are two separate personalities. Like that,
Studying you are ખાય છે અલગ અલગ.
so you both will become separate, that you will experience after the day. So all the time you will remain in the bliss of God, bliss of Dada Bhagavan. And you will be doing your duty also. When you will become separate from Atma, it is not like that you will forget your duties, whatever, you will become God. Everything will be done within yourself. But outside, you will do every type of व्यवहार with everybody. You will keep a relation with everybody. Everything will be normal, but separate.
જ્યાં સુધી સેપરેટ નથી એટલે ખબર નહીં પડે ને.
હા, એટલે ધીરે ધીરે શું થશે જ્યારે જ્ઞાન મળશે ને સેપરેટ થઈ જવું પછી તમને બધું રિયલાઇઝ થશે. How it is separate, why it is separate.
After 3-4 years. કેટલા વર્ષ?
હમણાં
What
શું
is your age now?
12.
13,
4 years.
12,
Okay, 4.
13.
15 years બાપુ.
17.
4-5 years. Then you see the bliss. Like you said, how you are feeling detached,
ચાલે
why
છે.
there is
આ
so
લોકો
much
એને ના
happiness
ગમે.
within us. So at that time we become separate. If you tell me any damn thing to Keshav, it is not going to touch me. Because why? Because we both are separate, myself and my Atma. So that you will experience and then you will get the real knowledge of separation. So few years. Correct?
Yeah.
So you tick mark now, so balance question, we will give it to you.
What happens to animal souls? Can they get self-realization in the next life?
Come again slowly. Because
What happens to animal souls? Can they get self realization in the next life?
No. Next life, when they will come in the human body, yes, they will. This is a punishment. Animals have gone from our human bodies. That is not an independent birth of animals.
હું એનો અનુભવ કહું.
હા.
અમે ઇન્ડિયા ગયા ને તો કૂતરું એકદમ જોવું ગમે ને એવું હતું
હા.
અને આને ગમે તે હોય ને ગમે જ બધા જ કૂતરા.
हाँ.
તો કે છે ઓ સો ક્યુટ. મેં કીધું બહુ ગંદુ ચડતી નહીં મેં કીધું. તો કે છે અંદર શુદ્ધાત્મા છે કેમ એમ. સાચી વાત છે
સાચી.
હું ભૂલી ગઈ એમ.
हाँ.
પણ એનામાં એટલી બધી સ્થિરતા છે કે મને એ બધું દેખાય છે
હા.
ગંદુ ચોખ્ખું બધું.
तो आपने बोला लाइक एनिमल्स आल्सो लाइक सजा उनको मिली है तो एनिमल्स है बट like in science we read that like animals also play an important role in like everything
Yes.
mostly.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they are very important in their form, whatever they are doing it.
Yeah.
वो जो भी फॉर्म में है एनिमल, वो हर फॉर्म में कोई क्या करता है, कोई क्या करता है, कोई रक्षण भी करता है. और जैसे हमको ड्यूटीज है ह्यूमन बींग्स की, वैसे उनको भी ड्यूटी है. पर वो साइंस को समझना पड़ेगा कि वो ह्यूमन बींग से वहां पर क्यों गए. क्योंकि हम जो भी कुछ कर्म करते, जो भी कुछ हम करते, उसका रिजल्ट आता है. तुम स्टडी करती हो तो उसका रिजल्ट आता है कि तुम पास हो. तुमने खाना खाया तो डाइजेस्ट होता है. तुम बाहर पढ़ाई करने जाते हो तो उसकी रिजल्ट आती है. तो तुम जो कुछ करते हो, तुम किसी को दुख देते हो तो सामने से दुख आता है. किसी को दुख दिया तो सुख तो नहीं आता है. तो तुम बहुत बहुत सबको दुख देते रहो तो फिर जैसे हमको इस मनुष्य अवतार में वो पेनल्टी मिलती है ना, जैसे हम किसी का खून करके आए तो हमको क्या कोई हार चढ़ाएगा कि क्या करेगा, जेल में डाल देगा, परमानेंट जेल में. तो जो मनुष्य को जेल मिलती है, वैसे ये मनुष्य ने जो कुछ कर्म किया, जो कुछ गलती किया, हाँ, तो उसका जो जेल में जाने की जो सजा है वो नेक्स्ट बर्थ में मिलती है. तो नेक्स्ट बर्थ में क्या होता है कि हमने जो अगर जानवर जैसे कर्म किए हो,
तो जानवर
जैसे जानवर गति में जाए,
हाँ
तो ये पूरा जानवर का ये वो कुदरती रचना है. ये जो कुछ तुम कर्म करते हो, पर ये सब गए कहाँ से है. इसलिए दादा ने हमको भी आपकी उम्र में पता नहीं था, तो दादा ने फिर हमको बताया कि ये जो मनुष्य की स्टेशन पे जहां पर हम खड़े हैं ना, वो सबसे फंटास्टिक स्टेज पे हम खड़े हैं. किसी को पता नहीं है क्योंकि वो मनुष्य की वैल्यू को समझते नहीं है. ये तो दादा भगवान ने हमको जब समझाया तब पता चला, ओह माय गॉड. तो दादा ने बताया कि जो हम मनुष्य है, जो हम ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, एक ऐसी जंक्शन में खड़े हैं. जैसे एक जंक्शन पे सब जगह से ट्रेन आके इकट्ठी होती है, जिसको जंक्शन बोलते हैं. तो हर सिटी से जो ट्रेन आके एक जगह पे खड़ी रहती है, उसको जंक्शन बोला जाता है. तो दादा बोलते हैं कि मनुष्य का जो ये स्टेज है ना, वो सबसे बड़ा जंक्शन है. वो इसी जंक्शन से वापस मनुष्य बन सकता है. इसी जंक्शन से वो जानवर बन सकता है. इसी जंक्शन से वो देवी देवताओं बन सकता है. और इसी जंक्शन से वो मोक्ष में भी जा सकता है. और इसी जंक्शन से वो नर्क भी जा सकता है. वो मनुष्य अवतार में ऐसा कर्म करते हैं ना, किसी का घर जला दिया, किसी के बीवी को उठा के चले गए, तो वो कैसे कर्म है. कोई भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा इस धरती पे. उसको क्या बोलते हैं कि ये इसने बहुत गलत कर्म किए, तो उसको नर्क में भेज दो. तो दादा ने क्या बोला कि आप सब मनुष्य अवतार में ऐसी जंक्शन पे खड़े हैं, तो आपको जहां जाना है आप जा सकते हैं. बिकॉज यू आर होल एंड सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर सेल्फ. Nobody else, neither your mummy papa, neither your neighbor, neither anybody on this earth. आप खुद के लिए जवाबदार है. आपको कहां जाने का है, आपको डिसाइड करने का है. और अगर आपको ऐसा डिसाइड करने का है कि मुझे मनुष्य अवतार में कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है, मुझे मोक्ष जाने का है, तो भी ये ही जंक्शन है मनुष्य का जहां से आप मोक्ष जा सकते हैं. तो अभी आपको डिसाइड करने का है कि जानवर में जाना है. देवी देवता भी बन सकते हैं, जैसे अम्बे माता है, ये सब जो देवी देवता दिखा देते हैं ना, वो भी बन सकते हैं. क्यों, कैसे बनते हैं कि होल लाइफ वो ओब्लाइजिंग करते हैं सबके ऊपर. आपके पास आपके घर में जो कुछ भी पड़ा है सब दूसरों को दान कर देते हैं, उसको ओब्लाइजिंग बोलते हैं. किसी घर में दुख है तो तुम खुद घर में उनके घर में जाके बोलोगे कि आपको क्या दुख है, मैं आपको क्या हेल्प कर सकता हूँ। ओब्लाइजिंग आखिर लाइफ ओब्लाइजिंग करते रहोगे, हाँ तो अभी देवी देवता बनेंगे। तो देवी देवता भी बहुत बड़ी एज होती है, 100 200 500 साल 1000 साल की उनकी उम्र होती है। फिर उनका देवी देवताओं का रूप कैसा होता है कि वो वहां पर जहां पर उनका साम्राज्य होता है ना, तो वो खाली ऐसा इमेजिनेशन करे ना कि इधर बहुत बड़े बगीचे बन जाए तो सब 1 सेकंड में बगीचे बन जाते हैं। हमको 1 साल के लिए राह नहीं देखनी पड़ती है, इधर पीस पे आने के लिए और लीव्स आने के लिए 1 साल लग जाता है। और देवी देवता बोलेंगे ना कि इधर सब बहुत बड़ा बगीचा बन जाए, खाली ऐसा बोला तो बगीचा बन जाए। इतना सुख है, इतना सुख है, क्योंकि क्या किया आपने, पूरा लाइफ ओब्लाइजिंग किया, दूसरों को सुख दिया, तो आप देवी देवता बन सकते हैं। तो आप बहुत बड़ी जबरदस्त स्टेज पे बैठे हो इस मनुष्य अवतार में। आपको अभी जहां जाना है यू डिसाइड योरसेल्फ। और अभी इधर मजा नहीं आता हो तो बोलो मेरे को मोक्ष जाने का, तो फटाक दादा ने वो टिकट दे दी है।
अच्छा,
नेक्स्ट बर्थ में आप सीधा चले जाओगे मोक्ष।
अभी वेट करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, एक बर्थ तो वेट करना पड़ेगा।
आज्ञा में रहोगे तो भी।
हाँ, आगे
5 आज्ञा का पालन करेंगे ना तो एक बस में चले जाओगे।
चले जाओगे, ऐसा दादा ने गारंटी दिया है।
सर देवी देवता का जन्म मनुष्य जन्म मतलब अवतार में आने के लिए उनको भरत क्षेत्र में ही आना पड़ता है कि सीधा महाविद्या क्षेत्र में भी मनुष्य अवतार में आ सकते हैं?
हाँ, महाविद्या से भी आ सकता है।
नहीं देवी देवता सीधा मनुष्य अवतार महाविद्या क्षेत्र में ले सकते हैं कि वो
नहीं, वो महाविद्या क्षेत्र में तो तब जाएंगे ना कि यहाँ से वो मोक्ष में, पहले उनको वापस मनुष्य में ही आना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, भरत क्षेत्र में ही आना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, भरत क्षेत्र।
क्योंकि उधर भी
दूसरे
मनुष्य ही
क्षेत्र
है।
में भी देवी देवता हैं, उधर भी उनका बर्थ हो सकता है। बहुत क्षेत्र है, पर वो दादाजी नहीं बोलते थे कि भाई अभी जब हम इधर बैठे होते हैं और हम दादा की बात करते हैं या दादा भगवान बैठे होते हैं, तो दादा भगवान बताते थे कि अभी इधर सत्संग चलता है ना, इधर दादा का वर्णन चलता है ना, तो ऊपर टेरेस के ऊपर इधर आके सब देवी देवता बैठे होते हैं वो दादा की बात सुनने के लिए, क्योंकि वो तरसते हैं कि ऐसे ज्ञानी पुरुष जो मोक्ष वाले ज्ञानी पुरुष है, उनका सत्संग चल रहा है, वो जो मोक्षगामी जीव जाने वाले हैं, उनको वो सुन के बहुत होता है। और उधर वो दिन रात ऐसा विचार करते हैं कि अभी हमारा टाइम कब पूरा होएगा, कि हम मनुष्य अवतार में आएंगे और फिर हम दादा से ऐसा ज्ञान प्राप्त करेंगे और फिर हम मोक्ष में जाएंगे। इसलिए उनको मोक्ष में जाने के लिए यहाँ पर मनुष्य अवतार लेना पड़ेगा, जब उनका वो क्रेडिट बैलेंस पूरा हो जाएगा।
भरत क्षेत्र में ही मनुष्य अवतार लेना पड़ेगा कि महाविद्या क्षेत्र में भी मनुष्य अवतार में जा सकते हैं?
मनुष्य अवतार अभी इधर महाविद्या क्षेत्र में हम कब जा सकते हैं?
નહીં એવું કહે છે કે ઉપર દેવી દેવતા હોય ને
हाँ,
તો પછી એ પાછા આવે મનુષ્યમાં,
હા.
તો અહીંયા ભરત ક્ષેત્રમાં આવે, મહાવિદ્ય ક્ષેત્રમાં આવે, બધે જઈ શકે। મહાવિદ્ય
બધે.
ક્ષેત્રમાં પણ આવે, ભરત ક્ષેત્રમાં આવે, જાનવરમાં જાય,
ओके।
એનું हिसाब
હિસાબ હોય ને એનિમલ કિંગડમમાં જાય, નર્કમાં જાય, ક્યાંય પણ જઈ શકે। ક્યાં હિસાબ બાકી છે એ પ્રમાણે જાય।
એમનું ક્રેડિટ બેલેન્સ ત્યાં થઈ ગયું ને, એ પૂરું થઈ ગયું, પછી ડેબિટ બેલેન્સમાં આવે।
शरीर पर इसका खत्म।
खत्म हो जाएगा। जैसे क्रेडिट देवी देवताओं का पूरा हो जाएगा और सीधा उनका टाइम पूरा हो गया भाई, उनका 100 ईयर 200 ईयर 500 ईयर्स का वो जो क्रेडिट पूरा हो जाएगा, तो वापस तो आना पड़ेगा ना, फिर मोक्ष में जाएगा।
મહાવિદ્ય ક્ષેત્રમાં તો મન વચન કાયની એકતા હોય તો ત્યાં જન્મ થાય ને।
हाँ,
નેક્સ્ટ
नेक्स्ट
आज पूरा करने का लास्ट है सत्संग का।
હા
थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा
તમારે રહી
मिलेगा।
જવું હોય તો વાંધો નહીં।
We'll get some extra.
About not having ego, like I'm so humble.
someone not
Can someone have ego about not having ego, like I'm so humble?
no, unless and until he gets the understanding from Dada Bhagwan, his ego cannot go. Unless and until he's not become separate, his ego will not go. It is impossible. Ego will go when he will become separate from this. If I tell you 100 times, hey, leave your ego aside. Why you are so egoistic? Why you are misbehaving? But naturally, within 5 days, again you will do the same thing till you become separate.
Is it possible for someone to take self-realization and not even know it?
By
Even
self-realization.
Is it possible for
Self-realization.
someone to take self-realization and not know it?
and not
know it.
नो इट अच्छा
know it,
पता है।
not knowing it.
Hmm.
See, self-realization by itself is not possible in this kshetra, this time. See, Dada Bhagwan said, 10 lakh. Can you understand? 10 lakhs, any 10,
1 million
1
1
million.
million.
After 1 million birth completed by Dada Bhagwan, he took the birth in this Bharat Kshetra after 1 millionth birth completed. So many developments within he had. He said to find out how Vyavasthit is working, he took so many births to understand. Now he gave us within 5 minutes in our hand how Vyavasthit Shakti is working. But Jnani Purush had to research. Every birth he had some question about Vyavasthit Shakti. So it is not possible, and it has got no such capacity in any human being, this level, in this Kal, which is called as a Kal Yuga. It is not possible to have self-realization by himself. But yes, we can get a self-realization who has Dada Bhagwan was a self-realized person. So from his blessings, we got all the self-realization. But it has got no one such an independent capacity to self-realize himself. It requires a lot of development, beyond imagination development. It is impossible. That's why Dada Bhagwan himself said that after 1 millionth birth, my self-realization came, and that's why I have been helpful to you all people. Because you people needed a self-realization. Because of you only I have come here on this earth. Can you imagine what is 1 millionth birth? So nobody can get a self-realization by it. He may do lot of things on this earth. Day and night he do puja, day and night do whatever he wants to do it, but it is impossible. Self-realization is not a joke. Self-realization, that means what? You are completely separate from this body. Completely. Outside, you will feel that I am a one person. But myself, within myself, I realized that how I am separate from Keshav. That is the only possible with Jnani Purush's Kripa, Dada Bhagwan's Kripa. But nobody has got independent that power to get self-realization. It is very difficult.
Why do we forget everything in our past lives if the soul is eternal?
See, in past life,
Challenging bitch,
last day is always challenging.
challenging question.
કાલે ઘરે આવી તો કે છે મારા question
See.
ready છે.
Whatever things we have done in the past life, so in the next birth, the result comes. If you have done something very good, if you have done everything obligingly, so you get the result in next birth. So, past birth, whatever things you have done it, and then you say, okay, now I want to do something so positive, so that next birth I should be good and I should be a self-realized person. Whatever thing you imagine, because you don't like the unhappiness on this earth. So you want to be separate from this. So, and that birth, last birth, you have decided that I want to have a new life. My body should be helpful to others. I should work in such a manner that everybody should get happiness. When that soul comes in mother's womb, 9 months, that you know. So at that time, when he is mother's womb, he prays that now I should come out and I will pray to Jnani Purush. I will do everything good. And whatever he is thinking in his body, when he comes out from mother's womb, at that time he gets too much difficulties, and it is so much difficult time when he takes a birth, and in difficult time when he comes out, he forgets everything.
But isn't the soul eternal?
Soul is eternal. So when he comes in the next birth, at that time, again he prays and again he does all good things or bad things. Again he goes in that birth till he takes birth again and again birth, till he gets the self-realization. And that final stage when he gets the self-realization, and that is his last birth, then he has not to take a new birth.
मतलब बर्थ एटर्नल होता तो मतलब ये पॉसिबल है कि जैसे हम लोग महाभारत से आ रहे हैं फिर अगले जन्म में ऐसा भी?
हाँ, ऐसे कितने जन्मों से हम कितने जन्म लेते हैं, फिर हर जन्म में हम कुछ डिसाइड करते हैं, फिर हर जन्म में कुछ हम ऐसे कर्म करते हैं, उसका जैसे जंक्शन के हिसाब से वो स्टेशन पे जाते हैं, अलग अलग स्टेशन पे चले जाते हैं, फिर वापस आते हैं, पर उनका ये जो साइकिल है वो बंद नहीं होता है। वो बंद कब होएगा? जब वो सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन हो जाएगा और बिकम शुद्ध आत्मा बन जाएगा, उसके बाद वो एक दो बर्थ पे सीधा मोक्ष में चला जाएगा, फिर उसको बर्थ नहीं लेना पड़ेगा।
मेरा मेन क्वेश्चन ये है, तो आपने जो बोला समझ में, इसका मतलब तो हम लोग रामायण महाभारत वहां से आई लाइक जन्म ले रहे हैं।
रामायण महाभारत को बहुत साल हो गया और वो कितने जन्मों से वो भी बाद में वो भी मोक्ष चले गए। तो उनका जो वो साइकिल है, उसके बाद दूसरा साइकिल, तीसरा साइकिल, जिसके साथ हमारा हिसाब है, जो फैमिली के साथ हमारा मम्मी पापा हिसाब है, तो उधर जन्म लेना पड़ता है। फिर वो जन्म से फिर नेक्स्ट बर्थ, फिर तुम कहाँ चले जाएंगे, वो कहाँ चले जाएंगे, कुछ पता नहीं। फिर वो आपके हिसाब से, जैसे पता है यू होल एंड सोल रिस्पॉन्सिबल, तो आप जैसे जैसे कर्म करते जाओगे वैसे आपका नेक्स्ट बर्थ में वहां पर जाके जन्म होगा। ऐसा
આપણે પણ 5 જ્ઞાનમાં દાદા કહે છે 5 જ્ઞાન હોય: અવધિ જ્ઞાન, મન પર જ્ઞાન, મતિ જ્ઞાન, શુદ્ધ જ્ઞાન, અવધિ જ્ઞાન, મન પર જ્ઞાન અને કેવલ જ્ઞાન.
હા,
એ 5 જ્ઞાન દાદા પણ બોલે છે કે હોય છે?
હોય છે। હા, 100%। हाँ, 50% हो गए,
7 बाकी છે।
आज पूरा कर दिया।
पूरा करनी। पर आप टिक मार्क नहीं करते हो तो कैसे पता चलेगा?
लाइन में वाचो છો।
लाइन में वाचो तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैंने बोला कि हजू कितना बाकी है।
If nothing is in our control, can I eat 12 samosas guilt free and blame it on Virushi?
No। Then everything you will put it on the Vyavasthit. And when something wrong will happen, you will put it on Vyavasthit. And when something good will happen, you will say, I have done it myself. So everything, if you put it on Vyavasthit, if you do anything wrong, then because of Vyavasthit it has happened. That means you are not utilizing the Jnana in proper direction. You are utilizing your Jnana in opposite direction. So it is not going to give you any result. No result you will get it. And instead of good result, you will get a bad result. If you put it everything on yourself. If you put it in the pond, you put it yourself in the pond and say, Vyavasthit, is it possible? You will do it?
I don't know.
So Vyavasthit, you cannot say everything Vyavasthit. Vyavasthit, you can say only when the result comes. Anything, suppose you started from here to catch a flight and you tried your level best and you know, and now you will reach the airport and you are just in the customs clearing, still you know, and at the last moment, they say the door is closed, your flight, you cannot go in the flight, you have to go home or you have to catch a next flight and you have to reach very urgently to some spot. So at that time, when it is not in your control and everything is happened, something is happened and completed, at that time you have to utilize the word Vyavasthit. After the result, before result, you cannot utilize the word Vyavasthit. Then to every moment you will say, my flight went away, and you can go aram se. You took your own time, and you reached at the airport. Then you say Vyavasthit. You have to reach proper time. 2 hours there is a custom checking, so you have to plan. Have you missed any time of flight?
No,
Why?
because we were on time.
You have the time. So everything should be
व्यवस्थित हो ना
flight miss થઈ જાય.
વ્યવસ્થિત કહેવાય.
વ્યવસ્થિત ફ્લાઇટ મિસ થઈ જાય તો વ્યવસ્થિત કહેવાય, અને ફ્લાઇટમાં તમે બેસી ગયા તોય વ્યવસ્થિત કહેવાય. After the result, not before the result. You cannot say you are going late to catch the flight, and then you say flight goes away. Then you say it was Vyavasthit. Then you have to come back. But at that time, how much you are sincere, you should be timely. You should go at the right time. So at that right time, you will get the flight. So everything when the result comes, then you utilize the word Vyavasthit. Before anything is happening, you cannot use this word.
એના માટે બીજું વર્ડ હશે ને એના માટે બીજું વર્ડ નથી
Vyavasthit છે.
ના વ્યવસ્થિત બિફોર થયો એના માટે બીજું વર્ડ નથી
हाँ, अव्यवस्थित.
Okay, next question.
What if my ego has a main character moment? Can I spiritually humble her?
To ego
Yeah, if my ego has
hurts anybody.
no, if my ego has a main character moment.
Can you explain it?
What does can you elaborate? Like ego has the main
So
main
main
Oh,
character
main
moment.
character. Main
How do I
character, okay.
spiritually humble her?
Ego
પ્રકૃતિ એવું નકલું હોય, પ્રકૃતિ એની નેગેટિવ હોય,
હા.
તો એની શાંત બનાવવા કે ઈગો એની જે અંદર હોય એ શાંત કરી શકાય. શાંત એટલે સિદ્ધિ કરાય, એટલે સિદ્ધિ કરાય. હા.
શાંત but yeah,
સિદ્ધિ કરાય,
get
સિદ્ધિ કરાય.
correct like
ego ને મેં સીધું
હા.
કરી શકાય.
yeah.
પ્રકૃતિને
કોનો ego? બીજાનો? પોતાનો?
કોનું ઈગો એટલે બીજાનું કે
પોતાનું
હા. હવે પોતાનો ઈગો તો શાંત ક્યારે કરી શકાય? જ્યારે તમે યુ બીકમ સેપરેટ. અધરવાઇઝ you can forcefully do it, but it will not remain permanent. You can, with great understanding, you make him understand. So why you are doing this ego? What you will get it? Whatever, then also you will explain him every day. The next day again the ego come and stands in front of you. Ego goes away only and only when you self-realize yourself and you become separate. As soon as you become separate, ego goes away permanently. Because you become Shuddhatma and he becomes your file number 1 and you both are separate. Ego goes in his house and you become Shuddhatma.
Is it bad if I say I forgive you, but in a baddie way, like you're blessed to have my forgiveness?
ફરીથી કહો. કઈ ગુજરાતીનું? What?
એ કહે છે કે આપ કોઈ કશું કરે ને આપણે કે કહીએ કે ઇટ્સ ઓકે આઈ ફોરગીવ યુ, પણ આપણે એમ વિચારીએ કે હું તને
ખાલી એમને
બ્લસ
ખાલી
કરીને
ખાલી
ના હું તને બ્લેસિંગ મળ્યું છે કે હું તને માફ કરું છું એવું આપણે વિચાર આપણે કરીએ તો ઇઝ ધેટ ઓકે એમ
એટલે ટોન્ટની જેમ આપણે બોલીએ
ટોન્ટની જેમ but you know I'm blessing you by giving you forgiveness, like do you
Because you are
understand?
blessed.
આપણું ક્રિસ્ટિયાનિટીની ઇફેક્ટ સ્કૂલમાં.
હા, હા. ભાઈ સામેવાળાને ભાઈ તું ખુશનસીબ છે કે હું તને માફ કરું છું. પણ
That's sarcastic. That's
the
sarcastic.
person
Sarcastic way.
to person to the opposite
Kind of.
person when you are saying that you are blessed that I am forgiving you, but in his inner body the same God is sitting there and he understands your intention. What are your intention? So whatever you are thinking in your mind, those each and every intention is reaching in opposite mind. Whether you are telling him with taunt or whether you are telling him with truth, both the things are reaching within him because the same God is sitting within you. So you cannot just bully with him and telling him that you are lucky that I am forgiving you. You cannot. Even you think that he will not understand, but within God, he understands everything within fraction of second. from this fraction of second, if you think, fraction of second, you think that you are forgiving him and you are great and you are lucky that I'm forgiving you. On the spot, he will understand you are taunting him. It's not a foolish word. It is a very active word. It is very active word. Whatever you think for your brother or for your mother or for your father, whatever you think, you may think that I am thinking in my mind. He will not come to know. But fraction of seconds, the message, whatever you are thinking, it reaches to him. That's why Dada Bhagwan said, whenever you are thinking anything wrong for anybody, think twice, because the same thing is going to return back with you.
Karma.
Same thing is going to get result from you. So be very careful before thinking anything wrong for anybody. Think twice. Dada used to say, think twice. Think 1,000 times if you are thinking something wrong. Because if you think wrong for him, he will on the spot get the message and he will reciprocal the same message for you. That I will not leave my Didi. He is thinking wrong for me. That much powerful God is sitting within him, and that powerful God is sitting within him. So think twice before thinking.
एक बात है, देख आपने बोला ना, देख जो सोल है, जब तक लाइक उसको मुक्ति नहीं मिलती वो जन्म लेती रहता है।
कौन?
तो सोल
हाँ।
अंदर वाली शक्ति। तो लाइक जब दादा भगवान थे, वो जब स्टेशन पे बैठे थे, एकदम उनको लाइक अनंत ज्ञान आया, तो उनको लाइक ये भी ज्ञान आया कि लाइक उन्हें वो लाइक पिछले जन्म कैसे थे और आज वो कैसे बन गए, लाइक ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ उनको नहीं हुआ। जब वो दादा भगवान सूरत स्टेशन पे बैठे थे ना, तो 3 घंटे तक वो पूरा ब्रह्मांड उनके पूरा आगे खुल गया और भगवान ने बोला कि मुझे आपके अंदर आना है। दादा भगवान ने बोला, तो दादा भगवान ने बोला मेरे पास क्यों आ रहे हो? दादा भगवान ने बोला, वो भगवान जो था, जो वो पूरा गॉड जो अंदर दादा के अंदर प्रकट हुआ, फुल लाइट, तो बोला कि आप मेरे अंदर क्यों आ रहे हो? आप दूसरे जगह दो, तो मेरे को जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा दादा ने बोला। तो बोला मैं आखा पूरा ब्रह्मांड देख के आया, पूरा घूम के आया। गॉड बोलता है कि आपके जैसा प्योर सोल, ट्रांसपेरेंट सोल ऐसा कोई भी जगह पे नहीं मिला, इसलिए मुझे आपके घर में प्रकट होने।
ये समझिए लाइक वो पूरा ब्रह्मांड पर उनको ये नहीं है लाइक कि पिछले हम लोग कैसे थे, अभी वो कैसे,
मतलब
इसके लिए
याद आ गया पिछले जन्म का भी?
नहीं, वो 3 आवर्स के बाद जब वो फुल प्रकाश हो गया, तब सब खुला हो गया। फिर दादा को सब दिखाई दिया, ये पूरा जगत कैसे चलता है, ये कर्म कैसे बंधाते हैं, कैसे हम एक दूसरे के साथ घर में साथ में क्यों जन्म लेते हैं, ये जानवर की गति कैसे होती है, मनुष्य गति कैसे होती है, ये सूर्य कैसे रोशनी देता है, ये सूर्य कैसे हवा कहाँ से आती है, दुनिया के सब क्वेश्चन का खुला हो गया। उसको फुल लाइट बोलते हैं, उसको केवल ज्ञान बोलते हैं। तो
केवल ज्ञान मींस एब्सोल्यूट नॉलेज।
उसके बाद कुछ भी जानने का बाकी नहीं। हाँ, वैसा दादा ने ज्ञान हमको दिया। जब हम वो स्टेज पे केवल ज्ञान पे पहुंचेंगे, हाँ, तब आपको क्वेश्चन पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, सब कुछ आपको ऑटोमेटिक जवाब आ जाएगा। वो इसी दादा की कृपा की वजह से, इस ज्ञान की वजह से आपका फाइनल इनलाइटनमेंट होगा। फाइनल इनलाइटनमेंट जिसको केवल ज्ञान बोलते हैं, उसमें आपको सब कुछ दिखाई देगा। नो क्वेश्चन विल रिमेन पेंडिंग फॉर यू।
अच्छा, मुझे ऐसा लगा तो लाइक दादा भगवान थे, लाइक उनकी पहले सोल बाहर निकली, मतलब पूरा ब्रह्मांड देखा, फिर वापस अंदर देखा, ऐसा भी होता है ना?
नहीं, वो तो अभी जब सोल जब इनलाइटन हो जाता है ना, तब वो कहीं भी जा सकते थे।
हाँ।
वो उस महाविद्य क्षेत्र में भी जा सकते थे। उनका सूक्ष्म बॉडी
सोल बाहर आए तो मर जाते हैं ना।
ये શું કહે છે એમને એનલાઇટમેન્ટ આમ તો સોલ બહાર આવ્યો, આખા બ્રહ્માંડ પછી અંદર ઘૂસી ગયો।
और એટલે કહું છું
सोल तो विद्या नहीं रहेगा,
सोल बाहर नहीं जा सकता।
કે આવું બધું લખેલું હોય ને એ જગ્યાએ
કેટલા બાકી બતાવો?
4 बाकी थे।
Can I do Vidi in my head while putting on lip gloss?
Can I?
Can I do Vidi in my head while putting on lip gloss?
लिप ग्लॉस के मेकअप लगाता विधि
है?
कराई।
See,
For that
when
one
you
is lost
when you
focus.
become separate, then it will be allowed.
time also करे.
But if in this condition, suppose still you have not got enlightenment or final self-realization, so at that time, when you become separate, so you will get the knowledge that by fashion is done by Pratiti, not by myself. And that Pratiti has got such type of development. If I want to do this fashion, I want to do that, I want to wear such type of clothes. That is your design. So once you will become separate, that will be Pratiti's design. And you will become Shuddhatma. And Shuddhatma will observe how
એને
Pratiti
સેપરેટ નું
is.
થાય છે એવું આટલા ક્વેશ્ચન કરે છે પણ અંદરથી
સાંભળે સત્સંગમાં બધું
સાંભળે આ ક્વેશ્ચન તો કઈ જેવા તેવા નથી
હા.
ક્વેશ્ચન ઇટ ઇઝ અ પ્રીવિયસ બર્થ હર ડેવલપમેન્ટ
એને છૂટ આપવી પડે મેકઅપ
હા,
થતા
એટલે-
નાતા હતા વિધિ થાય એમ એ તો બંધ થઈ જાય
હું મને કદાચ પૂછ્યું નહીં હું તો કોઈ બેહી જાય સોફા પર અને વિધિ કરી લે એટલે એ કરે છે આ નહીં કરતું
ના આનું ટાઈમ આવશે
હા
આમનું બોલવાનું નહીં કે ભાઈ આ નથી કરતું
એને તો ધડ 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 પતી ગયું
હા.
5 મિનિટમાં તો પૂરી
હા.
અને આને મોઢે આવડે છે
તમારે એના અંદર બેઠા ભગવાનને ફોન લગાડવાનો
બરાબર
હા. એ ફોન લગાડશો એટલે તમારા થિંકિંગ પ્રમાણે થઈ જશે
મેં કીધું હું ગિફ્ટ લઈ આપીશ તો આને કરી મોઢે આને નથી કરી તો એને ગિફ્ટ લીધી પરાણે
બહુ પાકો
મારું
છે
ચાલ્યું નહીં એવું થયું.
નહીં પણ ભાઈ જયારે તમારું ના ચાલે ત્યારે દાદાને ફોન લગાડવો
હા બરાબર
એ
તો
દાદા
મને ખબર નહોતી પેલા દાદાએ કીધું ને કે આ રડીને કરાવે છે એટલે હવે હું માનતી ને એટલે આ ખુશ થાય છે હવે મને ખબર પડી ગઈ તારી અંદર ની કે તું રડીને મારું કામ કરાવે છે
હા, ખબર તો પડે ને આસપાસ છે પણ એ બધું ફેરફાર થઈ જાય
હા,
દાદા શું કે છે એક બી સેન્ટેન્સ નેગેટિવ નહીં વાપરો કે નથી કરતો આમ
બરાબર
છે એનું અને અંદર ભાવ મોકલો એના અંદર બેઠેલા ભગવાનને કહો કે ભાઈ આ ભગવાન અમે તમે વિનંતી કરીએ છીએ આ કરશો તો તમારું કલ્યાણ થશે
તને ત્રિમંત્ર મોઢે આવડે છે નમસ્કાર હજી નથી આવડતી
ઓછી આવડે મને આવડે છે
આવડે છે પ્રેક્ટિસ નથી આવડે નવ કલમો નથી આવડતી કઈ વાત પછી અસમજી દાદાને અસમજી કરો તો આવડે છે ને બહુ થઈ ગયું ચાલે enough છે.
ઇનફ ઇનફ યુ વિલ ગેટ અ
નવ કલમો શીખી લેજે પણ ધીરે ધીરે આફ્ટર 1 year આફ્ટર 1.5 year
નેક્સ્ટ યર આવે પહેલા શીખી જશે
હા.
હા પછી જ્ઞાન લેવાનું જ છે અહીંયા જ આપણે
રાખો શાંતિ રાખો બહુ ઉતાવળ નથી
ટાઈમ આવવા જોઈએ પણ ત્યાં સુધી ભાવ મોકલો ને દાદા શું કહે છે તમે ભાવ મોકલો અને અને દાદા કે કેટલા વખત ને તો એવી બી ડેવલપમેન્ટ લઈને આવેલા હોય છે ને કે દાદા કે એમને જ્ઞાનની બી જરૂર નથી એટલે શું હશે એનું એક વાક્ય પકડી લીધું બહુ થઈ ગયું
ચાલો નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન લઈ લઈએ
But if I low key enjoy my ego sometimes, is that repairable or relatable?
ego repairable or
ના એને ઈગોમાં ખુશી થાય છે
હા.
તો એનું રિપેર કરાય એટલે એનું કશું કરાય કે
Is that relatable or repairable?
હા સી ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ
આ જે બોલે ને તો ઇંગ્લિશમાં જ રિપીટ કર એટલે પછી એને જવાબ તો
હા
હવે
હા
ઓહ
હા
શું
આ એ બાજુ આવડે છે
But
એ
because
બાજુ ખબર નથી.
her accent is very difficult for us to
હા
catch.
એક્સેન્ટ ઇઝ
એટલે એ બોલે
બહુ
You just repeat it.
હા
You ask again.
હા again ask
Again
and
ask,
she
same
will
question.
repeat in his language
Can you repeat your question?
રિપીટ કર ફરી ક્વેશ્ચન
if
What if I low key enjoy my ego sometimes? Is that relatable or repairable?
હા
એને ઈગો કશું ઈગો વાળું કરતી હોય ત્યારે એને મજા આવતી હોય
હા
તો એનું રિપેર કરાય કે એવું જ રહે
હા
ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ
હા એક્ઝામ્પલ
એક્ઝામ્પલ આપને
So, my friends મને વખાણ કરતા હોય મને પેલું attention મળે છે એ પછી હું ઇન્દરથી ખુશ થાઉં છું
હા ઓકે ઓકે ઓકે
હા.
ધીસ ઇઝ પ્રોપર હવે શું છે અંદરથી જયારે કોઈ આમ વખાણ કરે બહુ ખુશ થાય ને તો પછી શું છે એની સામે પછી એક કાઉન્ટર વેટ આવે એ જયારે પછી ઊંધું બોલે અને ખોટું બોલે અને તારી નેગેટિવ વસ્તુ બોલે અને ઇન્સલ્ટ કરે ત્યારે પછી ઈગોનું શું દશા થાય
નાથી જાઓ.
when you are taking the huh?
નારાથી
નારાજ થઈ જાય.
નારાજ થઈ જાય ને so when you are taking the happiness when everybody is praising you your friends are praising about you you get the happiness so you should be prepared when somebody tells you that you are foolish you don't do anything you don't have a style to wear the clothes what type of clothes you are wearing you don't have a brain, sometimes it comes from your friend. How it is going to help you? What you will feel at that time?
Sad,
Sad.
sad.
So if you don't want to become sad, so don't enjoy your ego. You don't take the happiness from that ego, because in next moment something bad is going to come. Correct?
Yeah.
So you should be prepared. If you want to praise yourself with your ego, then you have to prepare something opposite. It is going to come for you.
If someone tests
No,
my
I wouldn't.
patience, hey, shut up.
Hey, shut up.
But I smile sweetly. Is that spiritual growth or just bad
પેલા
behavior?
કીધું મારે બોલવું.
But again,
know,
slowly,
I know.
slowly.
If someone tests my patience and
Please.
I smile sweetly, is that spiritual growth or bad behavior?
If somebody
tests you, are you going to do it in Gujarati?
કોઈ મને
અરે ઇંગ્લિશમાં તો રિપીટ
Okay. ઇંગ્લિશમાં
If
What-
somebody
what is-
tests her patience, if somebody testing her patience and she smiles sweetly, is that, what was the rest of it?
That
Bad
is
behavior?
that
or-
bad behavior or
Bad
spiritual
behavior.
growth?
Is that bad
Or
behavior?
spiritual
Behavior or
growth.
the good behavior?
Hey, stop!
Somebody praises about you.
ના એનું કોઈ પેશન્સ ટેસ્ટ કરે તો પછી એનું
Smile આપે.
એ પછી સ્માઇલ આપે એટલે પછી એનું સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ ગ્રોથ થાય કે ના થાય
એને શું કહેવાય?
એને
એ
શું
જે
કહેવાય?
સ્માઇલ કરે એને એ બેડ
Good
બિહેવિયર
behavior
કહેવાય
કે
કે
bad
પછી
behavior?
હા. બરોબર. પણ સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ ડેવલપમેન્ટ ના થાય. ઇટ ઇઝ અ ગુડ બિહેવિયર. સ્માઇલ કરે, બધું રેસિપ્રોકલ કરે, so it is a good behavior, but spiritual development will not happen. Spiritual development.
It will help in spiritual development.
It will help.
Because you are keeping patience.
Yes.
तो लाइक समझ के आपने ये बोला कि he said that लाइक दादा भगवान के साथ ऐसा नहीं हो, तो मैंने
बात तो बस
इसलिए बोला था क्योंकि
only
like
one
मैंने
question.
लाइक महाभारत में ऐसा पढ़ा है या कई बार टीवी शोज ऐसे हैं
Now how many remains?
जैसे कि मेडिटेशन में बहुत ज्यादा पावर होती है,
Only one.
मेडिटेशन करे लाइक कोई इंसान
go.
तो कैसा होता है लाइक उसका सोलर लाइक वो पूरा ब्रह्मांड देखता है फिर वापस आता है
नहीं,
Your
दादा-
question will
दादा-
last.
दादा
लाइक नहीं होती है वैसे
And then we'll finish.
उसमें क्या है, दादा भगवान जिनको पूरा केवल ज्ञान हो गया था ना, उनको सब दिखाई देता.
अच्छा
हाँ, जब तक हमारा केवल ज्ञान नहीं हुआ, अभी तो हमारा क्या है, इनिशियल स्टेज है. Like when you are in the first standard and we are talking about PhD. So that much is different. So when that stage will come, you will automatically see everything.
If my ego is a drama queen, can I give her a crown but make her sit quietly in the back?
what is it? એનો ઈગો
Drama queen.
ડ્રામા ક્વીન હોય
हाँ,
તો એને પહેરાઈને બાજુમાં બેસાડી દેવાય.
ego ने.
ક્રાઉન પહેરાઈને પાછળ બેસાડી દેવાય.
ના એવું નથી જો
हाँ,
ઈગો છે અને તો કે મને આખું attention મળશે એટલે પછી હું શબાશી આપું છું એટલે ક્રાઉન આપું છું
हाँ,
પછી શકે હું કહે છે ના હું રિયલ બોસ છું તું મારી બોસ નથી એટલે પછી મને પાછું નાખું છું
पाची.
પાછું નાખું
પાછું.
છું
हाँ,
મતલબ કાઉન્ટ કાઢ નાખ્યો.
अच्छा, ego ने.
હું રિયલ બોસ છું
पर रियल बॉस छू જે ઈગો એક્સેલ્ફ છે,
સીધા ત્યાં પૂછજે,
ઈગો
મનમાં પૂછીશ.
તમારો સન છે અને તું એનો બોસ છે અથવા એ તમારો એમ્પ્લોય છે, પણ બંને તો રોંગ ડાયરેક્શનમાં છો ને. ઈગો તો સારું નથી ને. હા. પછી ભલે તમે એના બોસ હો કે પેલો તમારો સબોર્ડિનેટ હોય, તું એનો બોસ બની જાય ઈગોનું, પણ બંનેની રિઝલ્ટ તો સારી નથી ને. ઈગો તો સારું નથી ને. તો આપણે બંનેમાં કઈ હાર પહેરાવવાનું નથી, ગ્રાઉન્ડ પહેરાવવાની જરૂર નથી, કારણ કે ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ હેલ્પ યુ. ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ હેલ્પ યુ ઇન યોર નોર્મલ લાઈફ એન્ડ ઇવન ઇન ધ સ્પિરિચ્યુઅલ લાઈફ. In both the places you will be failed, because so many people they are sitting here, they have only come to Dada Bhagwan to request him to remove my ego so that I can live peacefully. Dada said that if one day that ego had come within me, I could not sleep for whole night. How you can sleep for whole life? Dada could not sleep with that ego for one night itself. And we are sleeping for whole life with the ego. That's why everybody prayed to Dada Bhagwan. Hey Dada Bhagwan, remove my this ego because I am not able to sit for one moment silently. Because ego is all the time hurting you. Whether you are in the daytime or at the night time, every time, 24 hours ego is. That is why everybody prayed to Dada Bhagwan. Dada Bhagwan, remove my ego. And I want to become separate. And give me the peaceful. Give me the peaceful life. That's how Dada removed everybody's ego, and that's why they are living happy life every moment. Correct?
Yeah.
We are satisfied with all that?
ફાઇનલ
Yeah.
મોટા મોટો પ્રશ્ન આનો છે ફાઇનલ.
Final. Sartaj.
તારા પૂરા થઈ ગયા પ્રતિથી?
હા, મારા પૂરા.
हाँ.
દાદા ભગવાન ને દાદા ભગવાન 14 લોકનો નાથ કેમ બોલે ને 14 લોકનો નાથ કેમ છે?
14
દાદા ભગવાન 14 લોકના નાથ.
કારણ કે આખા બ્રહ્માંડમાં 14 લોક છે.
14 એટલે
14.
Pretty 14 એટલે
Like
first
like
time
in
નથી.
Canada, how many states are there? How many cities are there? Like that, how many in America? How many states are there? So like that, that is only this land only. Like that, there are 14 lands. So on each and every land, there should be one head. But Dada is the head of all the lands, all 14 lands, 14 Kshetra. That is why we said you are the whole and soul of 14 Kshetra. That is why we told him you are a Brahman Swami, a whole Brahman Swami. Because why we say like that? Because he can do anything and everything on this earth. I have seen with my eyes. Everybody has seen with their eyes. That is why we pray, you are a Chodlok Nath, and do and give us happiness, give us permanent happiness and take us the moksha, because we are not happy on this earth. Because every moment there is a happiness, then again unhappiness. And everybody wants the permanent happiness. That's why we want to go to Dada Bhagwan, Chodlok Nath, to give us a permanent happiness forever. No happiness. If you feel that you have a happiness for whole life, you will be happy or not. But sometimes there is unhappiness, sometimes there is happiness. You will be happy? No. So we all are thinking and waiting for that moments to come, and we go to the mokshas for permanent happiness. After that happiness, unhappiness never comes.
બધા 14 લાન્ડ્સ છે બધા સેમ છે કે જુદા જુદા છે?
Juda Juda, 14 kshetras. Juda Juda. Like we are having a height of 6 feet, 7 feet. When Simandar Swami's height is 500 dhanush. You have seen? क्या बोलते हैं?
3000 feet.
3000 feet. That height, Simandar Swami. And our height is 7. So every kshetra has got different procedure and different system.
એકદમ ફ્લુઅન્ટ ગુજરાતીમાં પૂછો.
હા.
બિલકુલ બોલો.
મને લાગ્યું છે કે તમે બનાને equal 9 questions હતા. મેં તો આખે તમને
પણ
હા એવું કામ કર્યું આને પૂછો કેવું કામ.
એ બી વ્યવસ્થિત છે ને.
અચ્છા હવે આ 14 લોકના નાથની વાત કરી ને, 14 લોકના નાથની આના તો બરાબર છે, પણ તમારા બધા માટે વાત કરું. આ દાદા ભગવાનની કેવી ખુમારી હતી આપણને ખબર પડે. તો દાદા ભગવાનને 14 લોકના નાથ કે 14 લોકના નાથ. તો દાદા કે ખરેખર તો 14 લોકના નાથ આ તીર્થંકર ભગવાન હોય. પણ તીર્થંકર ભગવાનને તો એબ્સોલ્યુટ નોલેજ થઈ ગયું, કેવળ જ્ઞાન થઈ ગયું, ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ નોલેજ. એટલે એમનામાં ઈગો જરાય રહ્યો નહીં. નાથ બનવા માટે થોડો ઇગોઇઝમ જોઈએ ને, કે અમારી 4 ડિગ્રી બાકી હતી ને, એટલે કે આ નેચર વાતે ગાતે અમારી પાસે આવી કે આ ભગવાન તો કે નાથ થાય એવા છે નહીં, તો હવે કે આ 14 લોકના નાથનો તાજ અમે કોને પહેરાવીએ કે તમે એકલા જ છો કે. બહુ લાઇટલી દાદા કે 14 લોકના નાથનો તાજ દાદા કે અમારા માથે કુદરતે પહેરાયો. પાછા કહે શું ખબર, અમને તો કાંટા જેવું લાગે કે. પણ આ જે કુદરતે એવું કીધું એ વખતે કે આટલી પ્યોરિટી અને આ દશા બીજે ક્યાં શોધવા જઈએ. અને આનાથી ઉપરની દશા આવે એ ફૂલ દશા થઈ જાય એટલે એ નાથ બને નહીં. પણ તમારે કે આ 4 ડિગ્રી બાકી રહી ને એટલે એટલા અંશે તમે થોડા માલિક થાવ ને એટલે કે આ 14 લોકના નાથનું માલિકી પણ 14 લોકનું માલિકી પણ કે તમને સોંપ્યું ગયું એટલે એ રીતે 14 લોકના નાથ એમ. ચાલો આપણે પૂરું
Any question pending?
આનો છેલ્લો ક્વેશ્ચન
हाँ,
લાસ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન આનો લાસ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન નાઉ નો મોર ક્વેશ્ચન નો મોર ટાઈમ
तो जैन धर्म में कृष्ण भगवान को लाइक कौन से नंबर में भगवान मानते हैं लाइक जैन धर्म में
कृष्ण भगवान
कृष्ण
जैन
कृष्ण भगवान वो तीर्थंकर में नहीं आते वो बाद में होने वाले हैं
अच्छा
अभी जो 24 हो गए उसमें नहीं है ही इज नॉट वन ऑफ देम
अच्छा
बट नेक्स्ट 24 इज वन ऑफ देम डन ओके चलो जय सच्चिदानंद
जय
जय